In today's video, let me show you the way that you set up the Messenger privacy settings. If you're trying to make your Messenger a bit more private, let me show you a few settings that you can manage. Once you're inside of the Messenger app, you'll need to head over to the three lines that you see on the bottom right of the screen. And then from this section, you can tap on the settings option. From the settings, if you scroll down a bit, you'll see the section called privacy and safety. Inside of privacy and safety, the first option that you can manage is under who can reach you. Inside message delivery, these are all the people that can message you inside of Messenger or on Facebook. Tap on one of these options and select either the chats option, meaning they all can message you, or tap on the message request or don't receive request. So depending upon what you want, you can select these options. Now, besides this, what you can also do is under what people see, you can turn off your read receipts, your active status, or story controls as well. If you put up any story on Messenger, you can either select to either public, friends only, or you can also choose who you want to show the stories. If you scroll down to the bottom under advanced, you'll see an option called protect your IP address in calls. If you turn this option on, other people won't be able to view your IP address. So if this is an option that you want, you can toggle this option on as well. You can also turn on the end-to-end encrypted chat, meaning the messages between you and the other person will be completely end-to-end encrypted so that other people won't be able to view it. So these are the few privacy settings that you can manage inside of Messenger. If this guide video was helpful to you, be sure to subscribe and also give this video a thumbs up. That's all for this one. I'll see you in the next video.